In today's video, I'm going to show you how we take brands to multiple six figures per month using Facebook ads and TikTok ads on Shopify. I'm going to be running through an example of one of our clients, Jessica Wellness, who is averaging a very consistent return on ad spend on both Facebook and TikTok around the 3 to 5x range, doing multiple six figures per month. And so let's go ahead and analyze their Shopify store to better understand what a high conversion rate looks like. So here we are on their product page. This is one of their best selling items. Typically with the Shopify store, you have a best seller, and your best seller is one of the leading items you'll end up using in your Facebook ads. And just by going through this product page, I can show you some of the things that are going to help you increase your overall conversion. And one of those first things is your sticky banner at the very top. This is where you announce free shipping. This is where you can call out a special offer. In their case, it's a free sunny or cloudy sample with any purchase. So that's a freebie. Freebie offers help increase conversions because people want to redeem that offer. They also might want to get free shipping over $40. So if they add an item to cart that's $31, they'll try to add another item, which will increase your AOV because they're trying to get that free shipping. So you want to have a banner at the very top always. The next thing, a lot of you have too big of a menu. You want to make sure your menu is simplified and minimalized. And that just means that you pretty much have your logo, your menu items, or it can be in a menu bar, and it just needs to only take up a little bit of space. You don't want it taking up 25% of your desktop or mobile view because it's wasted space. It's just a menu and it's only needed for clicking a button to go to a different page. The next one we have here is our scrolling banner. And this is where you can call out some of your credibility standpoints. This can call out 10, 20, 30, 40% off offer. This can also be used to demonstrate value. So this is a scrolling banner that is placed at the top after the menu as well. And then next up, we have our reviews. You always want to have reviews. If you don't have any reviews on your product, simply just don't show them to begin with, but you want to start collecting them so you can eventually showcase your 5-star reviews. This can help increase credibility. People will be able to see what other individuals are saying about the product, and it definitely helps. The next thing is you want to bold your headline for your product name. This is very important so people know exactly what you're selling. Typically, you'll have a subheadline that simply explains the product or gives some additional detail, then your pricing, and then we have what are called color swatches. This just shows different colors of your product. This works great for clothing. This gives a visual aspect into what it looks like. It's great for cosmetics. It's great for anything that has a different color or a different flavor. These are always great ways to be able to show this rather than saying light, medium, or dark. You can actually showcase and visualize the colors so it's easier for the consumer to make a decision. The next thing is, rather than just showing the product, if it is in the cosmetic space or it is in the food and beverage space, show the ingredients, show what the product looks like. If it's a supplement, if it's clothing, have a zoomed in shot in the background of the actual material. Then they're featuring some of their accolades, which is an award. And so they were featured in an award in 2024 for clean and conscious. People in the cosmetic space really care about that, so why not include it here? Sometimes people put it below their product and individuals would only see that if they scroll down, and we might lose them by that point. This is also a great spot to include a special offer if you don't have an award, or this can also be a great spot to include 30-day returns or 180-day satisfaction guarantee. It doesn't take away from the product image, it only helps your conversion rate. Next thing up, we have our subscribe and save option. Being able to offer a subscribe and save allows you to increase your LTVs. This is going to help you get closer to those 100K months because one month you do 20K, and let's say you have a 50% returning customer rate. Well, you already know that $50,000 is coming next month. So if you generate another 100K with your Facebook or TikTok ads, well, you're going to be looking at 150, and then the following month you're stacking to 100. So you're always moving your baseline revenue up through subscribe and save. This is great for consumable items. Then we have our add to cart and our buy with ShopPay. This is very common with Shopify stores. You should always have buy with ShopPay because people can check out immediately because they save their cart information. Lots of people do that. Then we have our product images. So many of you lack on the amount of product images you have. You don't want too many, but you also don't want too little. And some of your images just don't even explain what your product does. So if we go to the next image here, well, an SPF you actually want to wear. So we know it's for being out in the sun, SPF. And as you can see, we have our features and benefits, boost skin's hydration. We have a matte radiant finish, antioxidant, 3 flexible shades. So it's for multiple different skin types. It's healthy, it's safe. We have blue light shield. It's going to block the sun's rays, ocean and reef safe if you're out traveling and going into the ocean. And then we have a nice call out, commit to your skin and the environment. These are really important things. You want to have explainer images. I like to think of this as the same way Amazon does their product pages. When people list their products on Amazon, you will see these style of images across the board. The reason is is, it converts, and Amazon makes you do it because they want to ensure that you get sales, and it's been proven by science and data to convert. So this is something that you must have. And then we have another version where we're explaining the product. Less is more. We're going over some of the ingredients, highlighting exactly what they're getting so they know what's inside. Here we have the multiple different shades. And then we have before and afters. Before and afters are a great way to illustrate what the result would look like before using the product and what the result would look like after using the product. So this is before, and here we go after. It's cleaning up their skin. It's non-harsh chemicals, right? So this is a better SPF. Not only that, but it provides a nice layer of the tone from the shade that they're using to fill in some of the blemishes, which is a great use case for a lot of individuals who would want this product, right? Makes your skin look cleaner. And then we have a lifestyle shot, which shows the matching of the skin tones. And then we have some of the other images whenever you select this. As we scroll down, we have some key benefits, which are highlighted here. This can also be used in Facebook ads. We have some additional breakdowns in the images on how to use it. We have our description, our how to use, our benefits, our full list of ingredients. Anything somebody would want to know, it is right here available for them to go and see. And if you were to look at this on a mobile view, we were to inspect this, we were to choose mobile, it flows very nicely. So as you can see, it's mobile optimized. We have all of our content. We have our drop downs. We have some videos and a slider showcasing the use. I actually just linked below this tool in this video that you can leverage to include your TikTok videos or videos that are shoppable on your website. It will help you increase your conversion rate. And then we have a floating image, some more information around the product, really honing in on that award, and then some additional information, and then we finally get down to our reviews with some images. So we're showing different people who are using it so people can self-identify and resonate. They might say, okay, I have a similar skin tone to this individual. So it's going to help people self-identify. And then we have the ingredients showcasing exactly what's included. This is very important. You want visuals rather than just showing the actual ingredient name. Then we have a video, which is a how-to. You need a how-to in your landing page. That can be a GIF or GIF, whichever you like to call it, or a video. Then we have a sticky add to cart, so that way people will check out as you're scrolling. And then finally, we get down to the additional reviews, and then we have some additional products that are being shown. So you want to structure your product landing page to convert. This is a good example of a high converting product landing page. And once you've optimized your actual Shopify store, we can start looking at some of your Facebook ads. As you can see, they're averaging a 4.6x return on ad spend. It's nothing extreme, but it can consistently scale. That's the important aspect. They can go from 10K a month, 20K to 30K a month with this kind of return on ad spend and remain very profitable. And as we're looking at this, we have an advantage sell campaign. So this is essentially a special offer that they're running, which might be for Labor Day, might be for Cyber Monday, Black Friday. This is where they're dropping in their holiday campaigns, and they'll ramp this up. They're also leveraging website purchases, and they're leveraging Meta purchases, meaning they have their shop listed on Meta, similar to how you might have your shop listed on TikTok. This is just an additional distribution channel that can help you get more sales. And so you'll see their website return on ad spend versus their overall purchase return on ad spend, which includes the Facebook shop and includes their website blended together. And so here we go, we're at a 4.6. Our next audience up is their best selling products. So this is their number one bestseller. You want to run with your best selling product. If you're just starting out and testing Facebook ads, you might have multiple products, but what you'll find over time, and we've analyzed thousands of Shopify stores, there's always one or two best selling products, and those are your product leaders that you run in Facebook ads that you know is your winner. And so that is that product that can handle the scale and volume, and we'll do different variations and test different angles, like a review-based ad for that SPF. We'll do a award-based ad. We'll do a video testimonial. We'll do a features and benefits, a before and after. These are all different ad formats. In fact, I actually have a video breaking down all the Facebook ad formats that you need to convert and leverage inside of this campaign structure. Now, as we were to scale, these campaigns would actually be consolidated, but when you're in the 10 to 30K monthly mark in ad spend, this is a very standard and typical structure to be able to maintain a profitable ROAS. If you're looking to go to 100K per month in ad spend, your structure is going to look very different from this, so you'll want to check out this video here. I just released it. It's very important if you're going to be spending those kind of numbers. And then next up, we have our new products. This is where they're releasing new SKUs, testing new ideas. You always want to have some level of testing going. As you can see, their tests are averaging a 4.6. Very nice on a test. Then we have a retargeting campaign. This is a campaign that should be higher ROAS than everything else. If your retargeting campaign is your lowest return on ad spend, you're either spending too much or you have the wrong structure set up for this. So it's very imperative you know how to set up the right retargeting campaign structure, because it should be your highest return on ad spend. This is going after anybody who visited their website, anybody who engaged with their Instagram or Facebook page from their organic content. Then we have our top of funnel Spanish audience. This is Spanish speaking. So we're going after a different multicultural background audience. So not only are we leveraging English speaking, but we're also tapping into a separate market for Spanish speakers. And this can allow us to dedicate ads to an audience that might be able to use this product and is very interested. So we can scale up using that angle as well. And then finally, we have our catalog. Because they have a lot of SKUs on their website, they're not a one product store, a 2 product store, a 5 product store. They have a ton of different product SKUs. So you always want to leverage a catalog, because when people visit your site, you can show them a product they looked at, or you can upsell them on different products that they didn't even know you sold if they already like shopping with you. This is going to allow you to get a very good return on ad spend. So that is essentially the Facebook ad structure for this. You want to have multiple creatives. You want to have testing campaigns, your retargeting, your Advantage Plus, your sell campaigns, your product leader campaign, and essentially a catalog if you have multiple products. This right here can get you to 60, 80, 100K months as a standalone. Now, a part 2 to this, which is what takes you to multiple 6 figures on top of your Facebook ads once you've unlocked the scale, is using TikTok AI. And what I mean by that is leveraging TikTok shop ads, but also running an AI affiliate chat bot that is going to reach out to thousands of customers for you. I've linked the tool below this video for that as well, which will have DMs, reach out to creators for you, have conversations with them, and get them to make a product video for you, post it on their page, and tag your shop to get you sales. This is a great organic strategy that is exploding right now, and it is imperative to use this year. So if you haven't set something up like this where you're leveraging affiliates, you should definitely do so. But first, you're going to have to make sure to go ahead and create a TikTok shop seller account if you haven't already. That is very important to get your TikTok shop set up. And then you're going to want to connect your TikTok shop using the TikTok channel app on Shopify. That's essentially just an app on Shopify that allows you to integrate your product SKUs and import everything over. And then if you haven't already, I've also linked below this video to claim $1,500 in TikTok ad credits. Essentially, for every dollar you spend, you get up to $1,500 back. And then you're going to want to set your affiliate collaboration to target collaboration with the bot and set up that automation. So that way it does all the hard work for you. And then once creators are requesting to get your product, you can send it out to them and they will start posting, and then you can leverage that UGC in TikTok ads. And if you haven't already, there's only a few days left to enter into the TikTok ad challenge. So definitely make sure to do that, because there is literally probably less than 48 hours to enter into this competition where I'm giving 150K away. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity. So make sure directly after this video to go to the adchallenges.com to enter to win. Now, to go over what TikTok looks like, here we have their page, and this is where their TikTok shop is linked. And as you can see, we have about 323,000 followers. You don't need that many followers to get results on TikTok Shop, but you want to be posting consistent videos, doing product reviews, talking about what you're selling. You know, these are podcast angles, and the product is linked in this video for people to buy. So we're leveraging organic, we're leveraging Facebook ads, and then we can take some of the higher performing videos and put them into TikTok Shop ads and see a very consistent 3 to 5x return on ad spend. So if you want to understand how to set up TikTok Shop ads and absolutely crush it, this video right here is going to cover everything you need to know around that. These are really the steps you need to get to multiple 100K months. So this is in a different language, but they're going after a very specific audience. We have multiple jump cuts, clips. You know, this is very engaging. They're talking about, you know, the product, and this allows people to go from a video like this and go and buy. And as you can see, they're talking about the ingredients here. So you want to have multiple different angles. Some videos will go viral, some videos won't. That's just a typical process with TikTok. As long as you know the formats that convert, you're going to be in a much better position. So if you're consistently posting daily, taking these videos and leveraging them in TikTok Shop ads, and then they start converting there, you can then migrate those videos to Facebook ads, and they're going to convert even better. These are the steps that we've been going through with Jessica Wellness that has allowed them to maintain a very profitable ROAS at scale and get to multiple 6-figure months. And we've done this with so many other brands as well. So if you are interested in diving deeper into the strategy, I highly recommend checking out our one-on-one mentorship, where we work hands-on with yourself and my team to be able to show you exactly how to put these structures in place, how to format the videos, how to get your TikTok Shop ads up, your Facebook ads, and scale profitably. So definitely make sure to book a call if you are interested in that. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye, y'all.